Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II. Welcome to another forward testing session. This time we're going to do it on the M and Q. So this is the E-mini Nasdaq 100 in futures, okay? So now let's go ahead and look at our daily. We're going to figure out our daily bias. So as you can see on the daily bias here, this candle closed bearish. Looks like there's a lot of volume that closed as well. So that's actually a good sign that we're going to have a lot of volume trading versus having a lot of consolidation. So this candle opened up bearish, closed out bearish. So it's understandable to assume that price is going to see a manipulation of the bulls and the distribution of the bears based on that. Now, we need to go to a lower time frame to see more of the story. So now, let's do this. So let's go to the 4-hour. A lot of volume here. So let's go ahead and mark up our buy side and sell side liquidity. So we have sell side liquidity on the 4-hour. And then our buy side liquidity right up here. Okay. Now we're going to mark up our most recent point of interest, which is our 4-hour fair value gap. So this is I'm going to mark up this fair value gap here. This makes more sense. Like we mentioned before, the candle closed bearish. So we're looking for manipulation of the bulls distribution of the bears. So this is what we see on the 4-hour. We haven't seen no manipulation down this area yet. So we need to go over a smaller time frame and see if that has happened. So in the 1-hour time frame, we're now starting to see. We saw that there is manipulation off of this low, sweep of this low. So it's understandable that price is going to start going bullish and manipulate here. So we're going to look for then our fair value gap, which is right here. We're going on our fair value gap. Now here, we see that there was a sweep here, and then an rejection candle. And we didn't see fair value gap close here yet. So it's understandable that realistically, price is going to manipulate to this 1-hour fair value gap, or the 1-hour fair value gap, or this 4-hour fair value gap. Now, let's go to 15-minute. Let's see if that gives us more clarity. Okay, so it looks like we have a lot more clarity here. Look at this. So this is the 1-hour fair value gap. This is our 15-minute fair value gap. Now, it looks like here, and I want to see what the next candle does. Looks like here that price wants to start the manipulation is passing up to here. So if it manipulates this, then this may be the manipulation of the bulls, and then the rate of distribution of the bears. Now, we saw a sweep here, and then looks like the fair value gap closed here. Now, they could go all the way up to this 1-hour fair value gap, manipulate that, and go down. But we would need to see a fair value gap close above this for us to even consider taking it up to here. But if it manipulates this area, then we could take it down all the way to this low here. So what we're going to do is wait for the next candle to see if the fair value gap closed, because it looks like it's trying to validate this opposing fair value gap possibly, but we need to see it close above to consider even going up to here. So we got a little bit over 8 minutes, so we'll wait. Well, so we'll see what the next candle does. There ought to be some pullback and see if this manipulator that might be willing to take it up to here realistically. Candle should be closing. Now we close with some strength here. We want to see if this is going to disappear. But I want to see if this fair value gap is going to disappear first. And I'm going to get my project X account, my purchase account ready. Let's see if that's just, okay. I want to see if this is going to turn into distribution. This looks like the manipulation. We did have a wick here. But I want to see if it's going to validate this first. But if it does, then it might be ready to go up to here. So if this holds, and this might be the manipulation to where price is ready to go down to here. That's what I really wait for. So I'll be right back. The price invalidated this fair value gap. Now, I would rather, it looks like price tested this fair value gap because we had some value gap volume and we tested it. That might be ready to go up. So we're doing this shot. This is in the field. Go all the way up to this fair value gap. We put stop loss. Yeah. Till we close a little bit more on bonds, we be able to take a shot, taking this of them into to you know. So you close with some value. So I want to put the first TP. Oh, I didn't put in 2 orders. Wow, okay, that's fine. I realistically want to put the first TP at this high here. And then if it passes it, then you'll go up to this TP here. I'll adjust it. So we'll see. I'm not going to put 4 contacts up in the queue, but you'll see. So if you end up in profit, I'll be right back. Okay, so far we're still in a lot of drawdown. Now I'm thinking that price is going to try to raise these equal lows here. And that's why I'm standing along. But then we kind of have like a little bit of a wave here too. The rejection thing. Now, if price ends up dropping after all, then you'll just take this loss and then drive it down to this low. So we'll see what the next candle does. So the distribution of the bears might be beginning. I'm waiting to see if the next candle closes, but I want to know for sure because these equal lows haven't been taken out yet. That's why I don't want to take a short yet until I know for sure if this really counts as a raid. It doesn't really look like a raid to me, but we'll see. So I'll be right back. It looks like they're ready to distribute the bulls. Even though I didn't see liquidity wick here, that's fine. So proposals some strength, then we'll just take this loss and jump back in. See if we can get it back. All right, so let me jump out and give it another uh, 8 micros. Take this down. Actually, I'm going to do 8. Let me do another one. There we go. Okay. So, you know, it's not ready for loss, so hopefully we can make more than that. So it looks like the distribution of the bears is beginning, which we will correct with our overall direction. And I just see, price went up to this time, which I figured. But I see my manipulation maybe close to strength here. I thought if I'm going to at least to here. Because I understand that a while is going to turn around. But this doesn't look like a sweep here. So, but to each his own. So it looks like a small sweep, but it doesn't look like a big sweep to me. We have our sweep, that's a candle, fair value got closed. We'll see if we have a target. I'll be right back. So we are officially closing with some more volume. It looks like the distribution of the bears is happening. I went and closed with at least $1,300 in profit, or $1,400 in profit if possible. We'll see if we can break down the deal. So I was on this recording, I'll still get close to that. I'll be like that. See if we hit TP. Let me wait until you get close to TP. We can hit it. Yep. Just how we're gonna smack TP. Man, we got close to that. If they want to play games, come on. Come on now. That's funny. But I think it's gonna smack it. I think it's gonna smack it. Wow. It poses 30. All right, so once it reads over $1,400 in profit, I'm just close it. All right, so there is some liquidity in this area, obviously. T58, see, they know. QP smacked. Finally. So let me document my results and then I'll share them with you. So as we could see, overall direction was correct. Distribution of the bears. We have manipulation of the bulls all the way up to this point. I know there's a possibility price is going to flip here, but when we close some strength here, I wanted to take it up, but what I should have done was wait for it to pull back instead. And that's something I got to work on. But we jumped in because we were wrong the first time, right the second time. And what we ended up doing is we ended up taking a 12 over a $1,200 loss and then made back over 1,600. So that actually gave us a $400 profit just based on these two trades we did. But that's it. But we did okay. So that's it for this session, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.